In this video, we will learn how to upgrade Oppressor Mark II in GTA 5. In Grand Theft Auto 5, in order to upgrade your Mark II Oppressor, all you need to do is go into the interaction menu by clicking on the M button. From here, you need to head to the service vehicle tab, which is the fourth one. After that, you need to call the terrorbyte and request terrorbyte. Now after your terrorbyte spawns, all you need to do is just head into the terrorbyte. So if you have the Mark II Oppressor bot already, you will find the Mark II Oppressor inside the terrorbyte, and in order to upgrade it, all you need to do is, after coming in front of it, click on the enter button of any vehicle. After entering here, you can access the specialized vehicle workshop by pressing the E button. From here, you can change every aspect of your Mark II Oppressor. You can upgrade anything. You can upgrade the armor, countermeasure, engine, lights, livery, and loss or theft protection. You can also upgrade your weapons on the Oppressor. You can use the highly effective homing missiles, which is the best weapon of the Oppressor. So this is how you can easily upgrade your Mark II Oppressor in Grand Theft Auto 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.